How did you get in here, Winston? I'm gonna let you out. Bye, Winston. Otis. Ollie. I thought you all were running security. Okay, you can have treats. I can't open it.